Given some sample data, how do we populate a list view? Let's look at an example of some contact data and how it can be displayed in a list. We start with our raw data of contacts, which is 3 contacts as well as their profile images. Then we pass this data into the adapter so it has a reference to it. The adapter also knows how to build a list item layout for each of these data items. So it could go ahead and create the layouts for them. But we don't need to create the views yet until the list view requests that it needs them. For example, if you had hundreds of contacts here, you wouldn't want hundreds of layouts sitting around that aren't being used. Then when you bind the adapter to the list view will ask how many items are actually in the dataset. And the adapter will check that in the dataset there's 3 items, so it will return that to the list view. Now the list view knows that it will have to populate itself with 3 list items. Now the list view starts at position 0 and asks for the list item layout located at that position. It goes back to the adapter, and the adapter checks that at position 0 we have the contact Anna. The adapter knows how to create a list item layout from the contact Anna, so it goes ahead and does that, and then we return it to the list view. And now we see that the Anna list item is located at the 0th position in the list. Next, the list view wants to get the item at position 1, so asks for the layout from the adapter. The adapter checks that at position 1 we have the contact Bob. The adapter knows how to create a list item layout for Bob, so it goes ahead and does that, and then it returns it to the list view. And now we see that the list item for Bob has been successfully added to the list view at position 1. Now the list view fetches its last item, because it knows that there was 3 list items to expect. It fetches the last list item layout at position 2 by asking the adapter. The adapter checks that at position 2 we have Charlie, as well as that image, and we know how to make a list item layout for Charlie, so we can go ahead and do that and then return it to the list view. And now we have the list item for Charlie at position 2 in the list, and we have our complete list.